We're rolling, everybody. It starts with bass.
Hi everyone, welcome back to HTM 653. We are at week 3, and we are going to shift gears just a little bit this week. The first 2 weeks were a little bit lighter, sort of introduce the concepts of the course and get you acclimated to what we'll be doing. This week we will start talking a little bit more about leadership theory. And again, that word theory is not one that people like, but it provides a framework for us. We're going to take a look back at some of the history behind leadership theory, and some of it you'll see, you'll think, wow, this is really not very smart, not very put together very well, or it's just common sense. It seems to make a lot of sense.
Or it seems really dated.
Dated, right. Like, do people not know that when they were researching it? But it'll give us a little bit of a level of understanding of what's missing in current leadership, which is really where we're headed.
Yeah. So this week you have 3 articles to read. They're pretty short. One of them is about trait theory and whether or not traits really matter or not. There's a short little primer there on different leadership theories, and then there's an article about hospitality leadership that has some really good stuff that looks both historically and sort of a little bit currently as well at leadership theory applied specifically to our context. And after you read those articles, then you want to go and take a look at, there are 3 lectures that we have. They're all short, less than 10 minutes though. We broke them up. we broke them up, so there's one that's on trait theory, one that's on behavior-based kinds of theories, and the third is on contingency theory. So take a look at each of those and watch those lectures from the Black Shirt Brigade.
We are the Black Shirt. So you should feel lucky actually, because originally we had 2 other lectures built in 1 week. So we decided we had so much stuff we had to split it into 2 weeks. So you'll notice there's a little more content than there was in the last couple of weeks. Don't be nervous about that. It's really just to give us some foundation to understand where we're headed. As part of that, there will be a quiz. Again, don't freak out. It's not a big deal. But you'll notice that our questions are much more applied. They're not just about true and false. They're really designed to get you thinking a little bit about the material that we're going to talk about. So again, we'll be a little more content heavy this week, but I think you'll see that it really will come in handy for what we'll be doing going forward. So thanks, and we'll see you next week.
Bye. See you next week.